Heyo. So, in previous video I covered an interaction between Sons of Time and Discharge. In that video I was thoroughly confused as to why a discharge that's created by the clones in my hideout doesn't actually discharge the clones. Turns out I didn't quite figure it out then. Why does it work sometimes, but not other times? Well, what happened is I basically lied to your face. If you read the tooltip, it will say, on reaching free suspended mirages, all mirages will be released using the spell which was cast to create them. And, incidentally, they are also looking at the charges on your character. And that means that if the clones, so those clones are prompted to use Discharge, are released when you don't have any charges, they are gonna discharge with no charges, resulting in a poof. But on the other hand, if you do have charges, when releasing that discharge, for example, let's do something like that. There we go, we have clones, we have charges, and let's release it. And they both discharge off of those charges. So, what does that mean effectively? Effectively, it means that you need to create the situation where when you are releasing discharge clones, you have charges. And this can be quite tricky. However, with bold lightning of statics that lingers for a duration, and quality on the discharge, this can happen. So, here is how it looks when you either A. generate enough charges before releasing the clones, or B. the quality on the discharge procs and it doesn't consume any charges. This in itself makes the whole interaction that I've pitched in the previous video kind of redundant. I will continue trying to figure stuff out with it, and maybe I will come up with something. I think it's worth noting that it's not only the discharge that has this interaction, but basically any skill that consumes anything. I have figured this one out by looking at the interaction of Sands and Time and Blade Blast of Unloading. And with that, I'm out. Bye!